In this video, we'll go through another standard algorithm that involves while loops to determine the frequency of a character in a string. So here we declare an integer frequency to be 0, and our string is initialized to this value here. And we have our iterator that we initialize to 0. And this index points to a character in the string. So while the index, being 0, is less than the length of this string, which is true, we check if the character at the given index, which is 0 in this case, is equal to t. So this is a lowercase t. And if this is true, the frequency is incremented. So in this case, the first character in the string is a capital T. So this will be false. So the frequency is not incremented, so it remains 0. And our iterator gets incremented to 1. And then the while loop repeats. So if 1 is less than the length of the string, which is true, then again we check if the character at index 1 in the string is equal to t. So this character is not equal to t, so the frequency is still 0. And then index gets incremented again, and the while loop repeats. So as we can see, once we get to index 3, so we have 0, 1, 2, 3, we have a character t, and in this case the frequency would get incremented to 1, and then the iterator gets incremented, and the while loop keeps repeating until this Boolean expression is false when the index is equal to the length of the string. So as we can see, we have t occurring 4 times in this string, so we expect the frequency to have a value of 4. So as we can see, once we exit the while loop, these code statements get executed, where the string is printed to the screen, and the frequency of the character t in the string is also printed to the screen. So as we can see, the frequency is 4 as expected.